Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting to the wallpaper controls now. On Infinix, long press any empty home screen or open settings right arrow display right arrow wallpaper. Either path works. Once there, choose your image source, gallery, live wallpapers, or a stock pack, and grant any requested storage or media permissions so you can access photos. Make sure you select the option that mentions lock screen specifically. Doing this first saves time, because lock and home screens are set independently on many XOS versions. Once you pick an image, take time to crop and position it so the subject stays visible behind icons and the clock. Use pinch to zoom and drag to frame the photo, and pay attention to aspect ratio. The phone may auto-suggest 16:9 or the device's native ratio. If it's a live wallpaper, preview animation and battery impact. When ready, pick the option to apply the image to the lock screen only. This prevents altering your home screen layout. Tap Set and wait for confirmation. You finish by applying and verifying the change right away. Tap Set, lock the phone, and wake it to inspect the lock screen. If it doesn't update, don't panic, reboot first, then clear the wallpaper or System UI cache and settings right arrow apps, and confirm storage permissions for the gallery. Also make sure the file is a standard JPEG/PNG and not extremely large. Resizing to device resolution often fixes failures. Once corrected, reapply the image and check that the lock screen shows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.